How's it going, everybody? We're going to be talking about a rhythm that is in Seven Nation Army, and it's a little bit different than maybe some of the stuff we've seen before. So we're just going to jump in here, and it's on this first measure, we're going to talk about what's called the quarter note triplet, right? And it's called that because we have 3 notes in the space of 2 beats, because we're in 4/4. You look at the music, right? And this is going to take up 2 total beats, right? Most of the triplets we've seen so far, and we've seen some of these maybe like a jazz band or something like that, most of the triplets we've seen so far have been 8th note triplets that take place over 1 beat. And we count those 1 la-li, 2 la-li, 3 la-li, 4 la-li, and so on. So let's take a look at how this one's going to work. We're going to start on beat 1, like always. We've got a dotted quarter note, which means we've got 3 8th notes total in here, which will make this the and of 2. And we know that this is going to be 3 because we have an 8th note on the and of 2. So this is 3. What about these guys over here, though? All right. Now, you could just listen to the song and kind of figure out, okay, I know how this sounds, right? But let's use that to our advantage. We know how it sounds. Now let's figure out how to count it. So we know that 2 8th notes equals 1 quarter note. That's still the same when we're talking about triplets, right? 2 8th note triplets equals 1 quarter note triplets. So in this space, we're actually going to have, we can write down all of our 8th note triplets under here. All right, we can just kind of break down where things are going to fall into place, right? This one's on 3. Then we have la. Well, that's a space there. So we'll tie these together, right? 2 8th notes equals 1 quarter note. Then we have 3 la, li. Well, that matches up, right? So this will be li, the li of 3. Then that's tied together, right? 2 8th notes equals 1 quarter note. And then we get to, this would have been 4, and this will be la, which will be tied again, right? So we've got 2 8th notes, 2 8th notes, 2 8th notes equals 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter. And there we have it. We have 1 and 3, li, la, 1, right? Each of these notes is 1/3 of 2 beats, right? So they're all equal. They're all the same. So we don't want this. 1 and 3, li, la, 1, right? We don't want to like hold this one too long or play this one too short. We want 3 equal sounds. 3, li, la, 1, right? Exactly equal. So listen to the music first. Take a look at Seven Nation Army, the song, right? But then make sure that we're counting these correctly, because if you see them again, you don't want to be thrown off. Like, oh, what the heck's going on there, right? We want to know, hey, if I combine 2 8th note triplets, because I'm familiar with these, then all I get are quarter note triplets, and they're comboed, right? They're just longer. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I hope this helps. Right? Have fun playing Seven Nation Army.